Gary! Hello, Gary! Hello!
Hey, man.
I missed you, sweetie!
Hey, man.
Hello! How are you, sweetie?
I'm good.
Come here, sweetie pie! Why are you running?
Hey, come on, man. Back off.
Oh, come here!
Jesus Christ.
Come here, love me some blood!
Dude, it's not a guy!
Come here!
Come on, man. I'm just saying, I won't get sick now.
I told you she had a beard.
Jesus Christ.
I never shave!
I figured. Damn.
What do you think about her?
I'll pass.
I thought you said you wanted a good girl.
I'm a bastard, huh? You're an asshole. Look, man, my fucking smoke.
Hello!
Fucking Marilyn Monroe, Jesus Christ.
Get you a girlfriend. Don't even appreciate
Yay!
it.